Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I just have to give you a wake-up call. Oh God, I love that
Afro the
sound.
Assassin, back with another banger. Today, boys and girls, I'm going to be installing my solid engine and solid transmission mount. I picked them up from GKTECH, the good boys over at GKTECH. Thank you, boys and girls, I should say. In any case, I'm going to be knocking that out. I've already pulled off the necessary essentials. I've had a lot of people complain about unboxing and they want to see the product as I'm unboxing it. Well, the funny thing about that is it's kind of hard to do one-handed without a cameraman. And the mount just gets in my way sometimes. So this is for all you individuals that have to comment about wanting to see everything as I unbox it. Here you go. You happy? Cool. So, let's see what's inside. Ba, 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 ba. Well packaged, well packaged. Ba, 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 ba. Well packaged. Okay. First box. Nothing else inside. Second box. Bam. So.
And what do we have here, boys and girls? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some solid photographs. And the second one, bolts, washers. That's good. Yes, we know. Ah, shit. They know what I like.
Them stickers. That G-Tech life though, baby. Amped.
Solid motor mounts and solid transmission mounts.
That's all that's in the box. All right. So for those of you who just wanted to have a super duper unboxing as I see it, there you go. You happy? Okay. All right. So I'm doing my engine mounts and I got the headers off. The oil pan is blocked with some 2x4 so I don't dent my oil pan, and I'm trying out this head cam. I don't really like it, so I might resort back to the stand. As you can see, I'm raising it just to smidge it. I don't know if you guys can see. So, looks like it needs to come up just a tad bit more. And I just toss that out, down bottom. All right. Sweet.
So the driver's side mount was nearly impossible to access from the top side. I later accessed it from the bottom, got it out, and then I moved on to the transmission mount. And the transmission mount was fairly simple as well. I braced the transmission with a block of wood underneath it and then jacked up my jack to hold it in place, removed the factory 4 bolts holding that brace, which gave me access to 2 bolts holding the factory transmission mount, dropped that, reinstalled the GKTECH one, and it was really easy peasy. Reverse installed that brace, and I was good to go.
All right, closing thoughts. I do have some levels of NVH, but I'm not worried about that. I knew exactly what I was in for once I selected solid engine mounts and solid transmission mounts. I mean, it is what it is. If you're that worried about NVH, then don't get the solid ones. But this right here, bang for your buck within that price point. I love it. Once again, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. I'll keep you abreast of all the other modifications I got coming. I got a few things I'm waiting on. Cricket, yeah. All right, catch you in a bit.